Introduction to Vyond. Vyond is cloud-based, animated video creation platform. Vyond Studio makes it easy to create videos for any situation. Log in, sign up to Vyond, search Vyond, and go to its official website. Vyond offers a free trial period. Sign up with your credentials. Dashboard overview. Let's click on Create to start a new project. You'll see a list of options for how to begin your project. You can choose Start with blank, Create with AI, Use template, and so on. For training purposes, we'll select Start with blank. This is Vyond's dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the Library panel. This panel has options like Discover, Library, Scenes, Props, Characters, Charts, Text, Audio, and Uploads. The Uploads option lets you access all the assets you've imported into Vyond. This is the canvas, where you'll build your animation. Here, you'll also find additional options like Replace, Background, Background Color, Scene Transitions, Camera, and Scene Settings. Some options are also located at the top of the right side. Start creating a sample. Let's create a sample video to better understand Vyond's tools. Before making any video, it's important to determine its size. Most videos are created in HD or FHD, Full HD size. So first, navigate to Video Settings and click on it. In the Video Settings pop-up window, you can see all video-related settings. Customize the video settings according to your project requirements. If you're okay with the default settings, click on the Close icon to exit the window. Name your project and start creating. Now go to the Scenes section. Here you'll see a variety of scene subsections, such as Office and Training. For this sample, we'll use a small script to create a perfect video sample. Based on the script, let's select the Office scene. Here you'll see all Office-related scenes. Click on the scene you like. Once you've clicked on a scene, you'll see it placed on the canvas and timeline. If you're not happy with your scene, you can change its background at any time. To do so, navigate your cursor to Background and choose any background that you wish. Here are some additional background settings. Audio syncing. Now, let's give audio to a character. First, select the character you wish to assign audio to. Go to Microphone Dialog and click on it. Click on Add Dialogue. You have several options for adding audio. You can directly record your voice, use text-to-speech, import a pre-recorded voice file, or choose an existing audio clip. For now, we'll select Text-to-Speech. This is the Audio Settings window. Here, you can see the character you selected. You can also switch to a different character. Enter your text here. You'll see a variety of voices available. Choose the best voice and click on it. In voice style, you can customize tone, speed, and pitch. Once you've customized all settings, click the Generate icon, close the window, and check if audio is assigned to the character. Go to the Preview button and click on it.
Hey Tomas, I think we need to adjust our project timeline.
Perfect. The audio is synced successfully. You've successfully generated audio and assigned it to a character. Adding scenes. Let's see how to add and edit scenes. Right-click on the previous scene. Here you'll see a list of features including Choose Scene, Continue Scene, and Add Blank Scene. We want to continue our scene from the previous one, so let's select Continue Scene. The second scene is now added to the timeline. You can now remove or change character actions and expressions. Next, assign audio to another character as well. When scrolling for audio samples, you might see small icons with some audio samples. These icons indicate that a tone is available for that specific sample. Once you have assigned audio to the character, it's time to assign some actions and expressions. You can preview any effect before applying it to see how it looks. Camera, Animations, and Library provides animations such as Enter Effect, Exit Effect, Motion Path, and Camera. Using these animation effects, we can animate any type of object, including text. Let's start by animating the entire scene. To do that, go to Camera and click on it. In the Camera pop-up window, click on Add Camera. Now you can see the camera effect applied here. Let's add movement by clicking on Add Camera Movement. This is the camera movement frame. Using this frame, you can focus on a specific area of the canvas scene. I wish to focus only on these two characters, which is why I'm adjusting the movement frame accordingly. You can use this feature very creatively. Once you've adjusted these frames, you can see below the scene's small movement path. You can adjust this path as well. Using this path, you can customize the duration of the movement. Let's preview the animation. In the preview section, you have two options. Using these options, you can preview from the current scene or preview from the starting scene.
Yeah, you're right. Let's talk about it over coffee.
Wow, we have an animated scene using camera features. Now, let's understand the other animation features. First, create a scene. Here, my scene is in a cafeteria. Characters come to the cafeteria and they walk and sit on chairs. Find and choose a cafeteria background. We can change its color as well. Add our previous character. You can find these previous characters in your character's video contents. Drag or click on these characters to use, arrange and assign actions and expressions. To flip a character or any object, right-click on it and choose Flip or Mirror. It's time to apply animation to characters. To do so, select Characters, go to Motion Path. Select Line Motion Path. Choose any direction. Now add some elements. You have a huge number of libraries in Vyond. You can simply search for them and use them accordingly. The scene was characters are walking and sitting on a chair. Likewise, continue the scene. Here, you can see characters are moved to nearby chairs. Bring character to the front. Find sitting down the action 4 and apply. Adjust character positions, expressions, actions, etc. Once you have applied all necessary effects, preview to cross-check. We have nicely applied the actions and other effects. Create one more scene to complete a story, add some dialogue, and apply expressions and actions to this scene.
Good idea. Let's make sure everyone has what they need to get the job done.
Audio. In this section, we have a separate library of audio, such as background music and sound effects. You can search and use these sound effects as required. To split audio, place the cursor where you want to split audio, right-click and click on Split. Now, adjust the music level. To do so, select Music, right-click on it, and click on Settings. In this window, you can find Audio Settings. Decrease or increase the music level as required. You can also fade in or fade out the music. Scene Transition. Vyond's scene transitions make your animations look professional. With effects like fades and slides, you can switch scenes smoothly, keeping viewers hooked. It adds depth and flow to your story, whether you're changing settings, time, or characters. So, you can tell your story smoothly and keep your audience interested. To apply scene transition, first, select the scene that you want to apply a transition to and go to Scene Transition. Here you can see all types of transitions available in this section. Find and choose the best transition effect. The advantage of Vyond is that you can preview all effects before applying them. You can customize the transition's duration effect. That's it. To make the video more engaging, let's add an outro. To do so, click on Add Scene plus icon, choose Scene. Find and select a scene for the outro. Give it a final touch. Export, download video. It is the final stage of this training session video. Let's download the video. To do so, navigate and click on the download icon. You can export as an animated GIF and video format. I'm selecting video format. Under the video section, Vyond generates video in two sizes, HD and Full HD. To get FHD, we need to buy Vyond subscription. For now, I'm choosing the HD video size. We have perfectly downloaded the video. Let's take a look at the final output.
Hey Tomas, I think we need to adjust our project timeline.
Yeah, you're right. Let's talk about it over coffee.
We should also check if we have enough people for each task.
Good idea. Let's make sure everyone has what they need to get the job done.
We've created a fantastic sample video using Vyond's creative magic.